Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D model section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D mockups, and it gets updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize the 3D mockup of a MacBook Pro. I think this one is what we need. Let's take a closer look at the mockup. Great. Let's create a new project. This is what the default model looks like. Let's start with the part called the base panel top and change the color of the material on this part. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette or enter the color code manually. Like this. Now, let's customize this material a little. Like this. Let's copy this material and apply it to the screen back panel and base panel. Now let's turn the model around and apply the same settings to the touchpad. Tweaking the material just a little. Let's go to the environment settings and change the HDRI map as well. This HDRI map looks great. We're done here. Let's only adjust the lighting on our object. Here, we will change the rim light and spotlight settings. We'll set the lighting horizontally and vertically to highlight the unique shape of our MacBook. Looks great. All we have to do now is to add the design onto the mockup. Let's add the design to the screen to complete the image. To add the design, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our MacBook mockup. Let's add the first design element. In this window, we see the editor, where we can move and modify our design. Here on the left, the position of our design on the 3D model is always displayed in real time. Great. Saving our design. Let's turn the model and add another design element to the screen back panel. Clicking again on the Add Design button at the Design Layers panel to add one more element of our design. Now let's move the design to the desired place following the UV map. Good job. Let's change the material to make the stickers more noticeable on the surface. Let's select the design layer to activate it. Now let's change the material and customize it. We'll add reflections as well. Now let's add some dimension to our design using our wonderful bevel feature. Amazing. Now we need a background. We have lots of pre-made background options in Provisual. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here, we can select the colors and also set the direction of the fill. linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light enhances the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Saving the project. After you've completed your design, you can share it with everyone by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Share it with colleagues, friends, or clients. And that's the end of our tutorial on creating MacBook Pro design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.